this video, let us select our cake by just clicking on them. You can select the color, the flavor of it just by changing the costumes. Let's see how to make this. I'm going to upload a cake sprite and I'll increase the size of this to 200. Now we'll attach a good backdrop for this. Let's go to the costume of this cake. Duplicate this cake and just click on the bucket icon. Change the colors and paint the cream as well as the base. Keep duplicating it and keep changing the colors. So whenever you click, a new costume would be coming up from these things that you have given. Here in this game, I have selected 5 costumes. Yes. Now, go to the coding part. Just say when the sprite is clicked, go to looks and use next costume. So now, as you click on the cake, the costumes that you have made will be coming up one by one. Also, we will add a button sprite. Go to the costumes of this button sprite and click on the T option, that's text. Choose your color and write done. Now, when you click on this option, when this sprite is clicked, go to control, use this stop all. So which will stop all the coding that is made here. Hope you like this game. Change the character also and do the same coding. Let's see how that looks. Take care. We'll meet on the next video. Bye bye.